Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Almost a month after Apple finally released its next update for iOS beta users, that is your iOS 14.4 beta 2. So today in this video we will talk about what is the new feature or what are the new changes that are in iOS 14.4 beta 2. So let's start the video. So guys, talking about iOS 14.4 beta 2, this is very small update with a size between 250 MB to a 380 MB. So if you see here, okay, the size may vary according to your devices and also the previous iOS version installed on your device. So after the size, let's talk about some numbers. That is your build number. So if you go to settings application, scroll down, find general, go to about. So the new build number what we get is 18D5043D. The build number is ending with D. That means that there will be multiple beta updates coming for this version until the final copy or a stable copy, or you can say the GM copy. Okay, so next we'll talk about the modem firmware. If you see here, the new modem firmware is 10.40.01, and if you look at the older modem firmware number, that is your the old number is your 10.21.01. So if you see here, modem firmware is surely updated, and that means that there will be a better connectivity or improvement in the connectivity with the new modem firmware update. The next thing is that along with your iOS 14.4 beta 2, Apple released update for iPadOS 14.4 beta 2, watchOS 7.3 beta 2, and tvOS 14.4 beta 2, and also macOS Big Sur 11.2 beta 2. They are the update Apple released at the same time for multiple OS. So now let's talk about what are the actual features that came in with your iOS 14.4 beta 2 update. And guys, starting with your the first feature, that is your device type identification. So now what is device type identification? So if you go to Bluetooth settings, and there you will find a multiple devices, right? And here from now in new feature or new settings, you can select the device type in your setting. So like there are multiple Bluetooth devices like your headphone, AirPods, or a car stereo, everything, right? So you can choose a particular or individual device and set them as per the type. For example, your speakers or a stereo or anything. So once you set a device type for particular Bluetooth devices, and whenever next time you're playing any music or is there any video or audio output, okay, through a devices, that time your iPhone will customize the audio output and it will play the music. So according to device type, it will play the music. And guys, one more thing, it is said that this update is brought to fix the issue that is happening on iOS devices. The issue is that so whenever a person or user using a feature called headphone safety on his device, okay, whenever headphone safety is enabled and if he's using a many different audio devices to play music or a audio output, that time the audio is not stable, that is very fluctuating. So different devices, the sound is not stable, it is constantly fluctuating. So it is said that this update is brought to identify the device type, and accordingly the headphone safety will work on them. So according to the device type, the iPhone will customize the audio output and play the music or play the audio on the different devices. After this, now let's talk about your next update or a next feature, that is regarding your HomePod Mini. If you are owning a HomePod Mini, okay, so do one thing, go to setting application, scroll down, find general, and here AirPlay and hands off, and here it is transferred to HomePod Mini. So feature is that whenever you're playing a music on your device or a iPhone, and whenever you take your device closer to HomePod Mini, it will automatically transfer music to HomePod Mini and play a music on your HomePod Mini. So now if you do this same thing, okay, there is a new UI where it will notify you about your transfer. So whenever there is a transfer of music between devices, it will notify you with a beautiful UI, and also it is said that it has improved the transfer speed and the function is really working good and smooth. So guys, until now these are two only features which are visible on your iOS devices with the latest update, that is your iOS 14.4 beta 2. But there is news that with the latest update, with the latest iOS update, Apple will be start notifying you about your camera, about your iPhone cameras. So the feature is that with the latest iOS update, where it will tell you that the iPhone camera which you're using is genuine or not. So it will surely make out that the camera which is set on your device is genuine, it original or not. And this feature might be applicable for devices above iPhone 12. And this feature might work just how our iPhone tells about your battery health. So how our device displays our battery health or how our battery performing, the similarly it will start showing about your camera and how your camera is doing. So it is not yet confirmed by the Apple, but let's see, okay, what comes in future. So guys, that's it. This is our iOS 14.4 beta 2 updates and features. And guys, follow up video where I'll be covering how the beta is doing, how my device is responding to the new update in the follow up coming video. For that, stay tuned. Please subscribe for more coming videos. And guys, until now, if the video is good, please like the video and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iOS update and iOS tips and tricks and all the iPhone related videos. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.